One of the things that I really love about ChamSys are the soft palettes. They allow you to create a very adaptable and versatile show file very quickly. And in this video I'm going to show you what they are exactly, how to create them, and some use cases for them. Hi, I'm Cedric. I am a 16-year-old show designer from Belgium. I mainly do set and lighting design. And on this channel I do gig logs, podcasts, tutorials like this one. Just what I like to do and hopefully what you like to see. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, I have ChamSys MagicQ open and my capture demo rig that I made for today. We have 6 mega pointies, 5 Rogue R2 washes and 6 SGM Q7s. Before we start though, I changed one setting that is different from the default settings in ChamSys. And that's unused channels return to defaults under the programmer tab in setup. Default, it's heads without intensity only, but I changed it to yes all heads. But I just want to show you this so there's no confusion. Okay, first, what are soft palettes? Soft palettes act like regular palettes and you can use them for colors, for beams, for positions, for everything that you can create a palette for. The thing is with soft palettes, they allow you to change the value of that palette live. So you can have your color picker on your execute window and then you can use that palette in QSEX and effects and you can change the different colors live. So yeah, you can start to imagine the possibilities. But I'll show you how to create them. So select all the groups you want a soft palette for, in this case all of the groups, locate them with the locate button, find an empty area, press record, record your palette, go to view palette here in the top, click unlink palette, go back to your layout and clear. And that's really the part of creating a soft palette. The soft palette is there now and now we can start to use it. But first I want to name it. Not going to be very original, just soft palette 1. Okay, now we need to create an execute window. So go to your execute window and then set grid size. I'm going to do 14 by 11 to make sure we have enough space. And now copy the groups that you created a soft palette for, copy them to your execute window, and then I'm going to move them to the right place so we can have rows with colors. Then copy all the color presets you want. I'm just going to do the first 10. I click copy, execute window, and there you have your row. Now go to the soft palette, copy your soft palette, and add it to the row. Now copy the whole row to the other groups. And then what you need to do is set a region for every row. So you select the whole row, click here in the top on set region and do that for everything. And the last thing you need to do is select all the soft palettes and set the item type here with a button E, from button to link. And that's basically it for creating your color layout, but this is very basic, but I'm going to show you what this will do. So I'm just going to make a Q stack with all of them on and tilt the moving edge so they become clear and select the soft palette. Now nothing has changed yet. I'm going to record this to playback 1, doesn't matter. Put it on. And now if we go back to the execute window and we change the color for the mega pointies, for example, they will turn red. For the washes blue, they will turn blue. For the Q7s amber, they will turn amber. So we changed the values inside QSEC 1, so from the soft palettes, to red, blue and amber. Now this is very basic and you don't need soft palettes just for this. But what we can do now is copy this whole section to down below. Delete the soft palette once, and in your palette store, copy the soft palette and name it, again, not very original, soft palette 2, for example. Yes. Copy the soft palette and we will do the same thing as we did with soft palette 1. So regions and then set the soft palettes to link. And what we can do now, we have 2 palettes that we can use everywhere and that we can change the values for every fixture type of. So what you can do is use this in effects and change the colors of the effects live. I will select the mega pointies, for example. I will create a new Q stack, build up, and I'll fan them around the actor. Okay, now I'm going to add an effect. A color effect, of course, 2 color. And as you can see, the soft palettes appear in this list just like any regular palette. So soft palette 1 for the first color, select palette 2 to use an effect soft palette 2. Now they're red because we didn't change the values here. But now if I will put this to yellow, for example, you can see it's changing. And let's make this just a regular odd even bump without crossfade, way faster, like EDM-ish, so 128. Okay, I'm going to record this to playback 2, clear, and here it is. Now what we can do is change the values anytime we want, while busking, whatever. Change it to green and red. Change it to green and blue. Change it to magenta and amber. So this is still quite basic, but you can see why I'm so excited about it. Now the last thing I want to show you is another use case, a flash color. So I'm going to copy the soft palette again, so we have a third one, palette 3, yes, and now I will do it only for the Q7s, because the Q7s are our strobos. So I'm going to copy the Q7 row and set a region, select soft palette and link. And what I'm going to do now is create a Q7 flash Q. So yeah, nice shutter, select the soft palette 3, click record, playback 3. So here we have it. We have our flash color. And we can change in which color we want to flash live again. So I'm going to put this up. Red, blue, white, UV, whatever you want. So what you can do is create very advanced effects and be prepared for everything, which I believe is very, very cool. Now I'm going to stop going over use cases now, but I'm sure you'll find some of your own. What I want to do though is create a bit more clear execute window. First of all, I'm going to rename the soft palettes here. From soft palette 1, this one is our main. I'm going to do that for every row. Then the second group were our effects colors. And the third group were our flash colors. In this case, just one row. Now, another very exciting thing is, if you would create your own color palette, you can just move the flash color side, copy your palette to the empty spot, set the region again, and then it will function as a flash color and effect color with all the effects you programmed. You don't need to change anything, you just need to add it to the row and it will work. So it's very quick, very fast, and imagine what time it will save and what you will be able to do if you have a very advanced show file with a lot of effects programmed that all rely on the soft palettes. I just love experimenting with this. You can do it with positions as well. Not going to do that today, but there are some videos coming about an advanced execute window with position soft palettes and stuff like that. So if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you're subscribed. That's it for today. I really hope you liked this video and you learned something new about the soft palettes. If you really enjoyed the video, maybe you could consider leaving a like and subscribing. It really helps us a lot and it's just very nice to see your support on this. If you'd like to work with us or you have any questions about anything, please contact us via Instagram, email, Facebook. Everything is down below in the description. So don't hesitate, just send us a message on whatever platform you like. Thanks for watching and then I hope to see you again soon on this channel. Bye!